Going.
I'm going to demonstrate to you a very cheap way of developing your cardboard simulator training box. This was devised by my colleague Mal, so I've called it Mal's Cardboard Simulation Training Box. This is a box which is available for storage, fairly sturdy. We take off the lid and we now look inside the box, and that is what is going to be your operating theatre. In order to convert it into an operating theatre, we need to drill 2 holes in the sides of the box, and the rough dimensions of these 2 holes are approximately 20 centimetres up from what is going to be the base and 2 centimetres in. So using a tape measure, we go up 20 centimetres. I'm putting a bit of masking tape on that. In approximately 2 centimetres, and my masking tape needs moved a little bit. I can now mark that to 20 centimetres and 2 centimetres. And now we're going to carry out a drilling procedure, and in order to keep health and safety happy, I'm just going to clamp a bit of wood on here, and this is a 10mm drill, and I'm going to drill through the cardboard on that side. Always double check. "20 centimetres up, 2 centimetres in, perfect. We're now going to do the same on the other side. Again, a bit of masking tape. "20 centimetres up. Two centimetres in. And again, we will clamp and drill. So our 2 holes are made, 10mm holes. That's not big enough, because what we're going to be putting through these holes are handles, and the handles are made from electrical conduit. Very cheap. This bit of electrical conduit cost me less than £1. It's 16mm oval trunking that normally you put electrical cables down when you are putting them into a wall. But this is a cut section of that, and that doesn't go through, so we have to improve the size of the hole. Michael, I need a knife. I forgot to put the knife on. I'm sure you can edit that out.
I could be able to, yes, without any problems.
So what we do is put the knife through the hole in 90-degree cuts, and that produces for us a flexible hole. And having done that, this now goes through very satisfactorily. We're doing the same at the other side. 90-degree push. Now, I would encourage you to do this in a safe manner. Keep your fingers away and make sure you don't injure yourself. I am not liable for local incompetence. So that now creates for us the box with two holes. The next stage is that we are going to put our markers, which are supplied separately, on these handles. So I'm going to take the handles out, and before doing that, it's helpful to have a picture at the back of the box. This is helpful because it allows the camera to focus near rather than far. So in order to do that, I'm using a little bit of double-sided tape. Put that on the back of the picture. Peel off the double-sided cover for the double-sided tape. Stick it inside the box. And there you've got something to focus on. So now, creating the handles so that they can be used in your simulator. Michael, can you pass me that marker? Ah, lovely, yeah.
This one?
The other one. No, the other one. Right. So, we are providing markers like this, a left and a right marker. In your left hand, you have the arthroscope marker. In your right hand, you have the probe marker. In order to fit these markers, you simply cut a 4-centimeter slot in the side of the handle. It's useful to open up the slot with the scissors and then slip in the marker like that. So that goes into the slot, and you can then slide it along into the marker like that. So that is our right marker, and that's going to go on the right side. This is our, can I have that one, Michael? This is a left marker that I prepared earlier. We put that into that side. Doesn't want to go. I'm sure you'll edit that out, Michael. So, we're now going to put in the left marker. And that is now our operating theatre, ready to carry out the simulation. We'll stop now.
Right.